In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Character.ai as a guest and then create a free account to keep chatting. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device, and in the address bar, go to Character.ai. Once the site loads, you'll land on the homepage where you can explore a variety of public characters. These are chatbots created for different types of conversations, so you may see options designed for entertainment, storytelling, roleplay, advice, or casual chat. Take a moment to browse the homepage and choose any public character that looks interesting to you. When you click on a character, it will open the chat interface. This is where you can begin interacting right away without needing to create an account first. That makes it a quick and easy way to test the platform and see how it works before signing up. Once you're inside the chat, type your message into the text box and send it just like you would in any normal messaging app. As a guest, you can send a limited number of messages directly. This is useful if you just want to try out the experience, check the character's responses, or get a feel for the conversation style. Keep in mind that guest access is meant to be temporary, so after a certain number of messages, the platform will ask you to sign up if you want to continue. When that prompt appears, go ahead and sign up for a free account. This step allows you to keep chatting without being restricted by the guest message limit. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and make sure you enter your own information where required. After your account is set up, you'll be able to return to the conversation and continue chatting indefinitely. A helpful tip here is to start with a simple message when testing a character as a guest. That way, you can quickly decide whether the character matches what you're looking for before committing to an account. And if you enjoy the interaction, creating the free account is the natural next step so you can keep the conversation going without interruption. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, visit Character AI, choose a public character, send a few guest messages, and then create a free account when prompted so you can continue chatting as long as you'd like.